And yeah, check your drugs. Oh, shame guilt. Awesome. Can we
Oops.
turn it off while we're eating? Well, he's right there. He can hear you. Right, Simon?
Is she trying to kill her child?
What do you say?
Or is the truck driver trying to kill
That's
them?
what he said. Oh, he feels attacked.
My Life members, Sport Fanatics deal, like Simon, when you order through the app.
So my coworker saw my bank account and was like,
Wow, she tried to kill her child. Is this one? Crying blood.
keep from overdrafting.
Is that a person?
Because Empower Cash Advance gives me up to $300 with no interest, no late fees. They never even check my credit. I remember the first time I tried Empower, I really needed to pay for gas. And Empower Cash Advance saved me. Like, poof, all that stress, gone. So take it from me, download the app, get up to $300.
Did she possess the doll then? And look, kids shouldn't be watching this. Suicide. Blood like tears. Dark. Do children even know what suicide and blood like tears are?
So many people warn me about credit cards, they just seemed really scary. When I needed a
No smoking. Stop engine.
credit, so I got the Chime Credit Builder card.
He didn't stop the engine.
Without being afraid of fees or interest. And there was no credit check. My score went up over 60 points and I bought my first car. As a busy college student, having a car is an absolute must. I feel like I could do anything. My next goal is 700 credit score. Join me at Chime.com.
The Lexus ES didn't begin in the studio.
The bed.
The Lexus ES.
Just.
Just for you. Finally.
Get special offers on select Lexus models.
Sir, that's close to an ID on our suspects yet, but witnesses saw a black pickup with a broken tail light fleeing Patricia Park Street. Already got a ball out. All right, good. If the chain swap rolls on it. Any luck uncovering a connection between our three victims? There's got to be something.
No, I don't think that's a good idea. Spider.
Patricia Clark, James Day, Jerry Haverford. 15 kids and grandkids between them.
Family's got to be devastated. There's got to be a reason these folks were attacking their homes.
Most likely explanation is that they're easy targets. Less likely to fight back. Easier to beat if they did.
I think this would. Oh no.
None were especially wealthy.
Was I supposed to give her oil?
We can't rule out money as a motive. Jerry Haverford, the skeptical.
He didn't forget to turn off the lights. He forgot to turn off the engine. If this continues, there is a risk of a fire. But strangely, the store clerk didn't try to stop it.
I had an uncle who used to stuff cash in his
I'm not dumb.
paranoid about his savings.
It's out of order. It doesn't look like a leaf.
So it could be these three.
Well, you guys could start reading. It's getting boring.
All right, look into their financials and see what you find. I want answers before more grandparents are killed.
What am I looking for here?
This is where Grace was living? I guess so. This way.
Her neck?
Ooh. You'd never know a place like this has a building manager on site. Grace must have been struggling more than she let on. 2 feet. Yeah, this is her.
Yeah, children shouldn't be watching this or for stuff like this. See? No, not good for children.
Looks like she hasn't been home in a while. Yeah.
Let's do the window first.
Danny? Yeah. What do you got? This the boyfriend? No.
I wish I would have done that first.
Good enough. You don't want
I can't even try it because when we actually get in these games, they're not real.
Sorry, I was looking for Grace.
Hey, so are we. I'm Sergeant Harrelson, LAPD. This is Grace.
Why is it dark?
You're a friend of hers, Miss?
Yeah, Taylor, I'm an agent. I just heard a doorbell.
She's holding a picture of him and her.
When was the last time you saw or spoke to Grace?
About a week ago. Something happened to her?
We're not sure. How was she the last time you saw her?
No, I didn't see her. I heard her through the wall. She's arguing with her boyfriend again.
Again. They fought a lot. Did those arguments ever get violent? Anything we can tell us is helpful, please.
Oh, sometimes like
You guys see that, don't you?
arms on her neck. She brushed it off when I asked her, never told me where they came from. But
You think the bruises came from the boyfriend? Is this him?
yeah.
Yes, no.
Peter something. I think Grace might have been tagged.
Somebody trying to jump off back there?
The profile is perfect. She blackmailed a couple of years ago and said she wanted to survive on it.
Well, let me go grab my phone.
I knew it. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
He jumped off. I knew it. How did I know?
I'm gonna be straight with you, Danny. I don't like the way this is trending. In my experience, situations like this, they don't end well. Things were so much easier when they were younger.
She got scissors.
I knew how to be there for her.
She's trying to kill her.
But then they get older.
Is that New York City?
Hard to sleep at night when you know your daughter's out in the big world.
That's where I be. That's where I'll be moving when I'm older.
Until I had my own baby. One kid
New York
died,
City.
Gracie said,
Okay, jeez, I understand.
I thought that moving somewhere remote would reconnect this, but it just got worse. I'm trying to do all the right
Well, I can't help you, dude. I'll watch you die.
things and pushing away.
So according to Insta,
Get
his name is
squashed.
Peter Foster.
Man,
Yeah.
I was expecting blood.
you're straight.
I'm gonna search up
I need you to
gore games instead of horror games.
Okay, thanks.
News about Patricia Clark? She's still in surgery. Going on 4 hours now. We seemed a little shell-shocked earlier.
Somebody broke in.
Patricia reminds me a lot of my Aunt Corinne. She's the coolest aunt you could ask for. She always slipped me candy or cash when I was younger.
Somebody
All my
grabbing her?
basketball games, even gave me my first taste of liquor when I was a teenager. Johnny Walker Blue. Oh, that's the good stuff. She could like lit the fireplace at the time. The point is, she was an awesome woman. And I can't help but think how terrified she would have been in Patricia's shoes today. And she really want to put cuffs on whoever's responsible.
Hey, wait, I think I found some. All the victims had safes inside their home, right? Different models and sizes, but they all had the same sticker on each side of the door.
What's the bigger sticker?
Sanderson safes and
That's a
locks.
who? Is there a man?
Security shop in the
I
valley.
knew it.
Standard
Look at this pervert.
You got a B&E charge from 12 years ago. You think you got back into the burglary business?
So they think you're like 15, bro. And they already have perverts in their school.
Hey, Danny.
A teacher?
Sure. All right, I'm in the car. Hey, baby. Everything all right?
Yeah. I just wish there was more I can do for you and Danny. How's the search going?
We just found out that Grace's boyfriend has a misdemeanor for domestic battery.
I was looking for everything on the clothes. It's on her eye.
Grace with bruises on her body. It's not looking very good right now.
How's Danny handling it?
He's holding up. I just worried for him. Best case scenario, Grace and boyfriend left town for a couple of days and just didn't tell anybody, but
You're expecting worse.
I just want to find him some answers. I can't help but put myself in his shoes. If it was Vivian who was missing, I would never stop looking.
Gotta keep your faith for Danny. If anybody can find Grace, it's you, Hondo.
Yeah. Baby, I gotta go. I love you. Kiss Vivian for me, okay?
I will. Love you too.
Hey, listen, when we get to Peter Foster's, I need you to let me handle it, all right? Good plan. Yeah. Give me 5 minutes and over. Hey, I know you're pissed at him. So am I. But we don't have proof that he hurt Grace yet.
Those photos were enough? For the neighbor's story? He beat her, man. What more do you need?
Promise me you'll wait in the car. Okay.
As fine as best. I don't know anything about any home robberies. Sanderson's safe and locksmithing is on the up and up.
What am I looking for?
connection between the
What?
victims of 3 home invasions, 2 of whom were executed.
Poison her husband?
Executed?
Yeah.
Well, you got the wrong idea about me.
Dude, your
I knew
record
it.
says that you aren't shy about breaking and entering. Also says you broke into a safe at Racing Bank in 2011. Robbed it.
Okay, I broke into the safe.
Is that just me or is that sus?
The company that manufactured the safe said it couldn't be faster.
So you broke into a federal bank to prove a point.
Pretty much. I had a knack for those kind of things. My brother taught me how to pick locks when I was 5, and I had some rebellious teenage years where I took the word bunk.
She's gripping the girl's arm. Look at that face, bro. Guilty. She's literally, well, this zooms in very much. She's literally gripping the arm.
They bought safes for me. Patricia made me the most amazing blueberry muffins when I lived here. Look, sweetheart. Wait a second. All these clients were referred.
He drowned.
The guy named Chauncey Tully.
Why is the water bloody?
And he's referred over a dozen clients to me in the past year or so.
Okay, we need to talk to this Telegram guy. We need a copy of that referral list. If the first 3 victims were all on it, anyone else on the list could be a target.
These are the people referred to Sanders and Chase by Chauncey Tully.
He's
16
still.
total. James Day and Jerry Adams are the word.
Pervert alert. Click the phone.
One in Cable Bay.
He has a wife, bro. He's already cheating on her. These people have serious problems.
Red light camera spotted the suspect's pickup truck near the 210 and Alpha Street.
It's a mile from Cable Bay. They're going after another one. Telling
The man has a knife.
We got an armed suspect. He's making a run for it after 2 sides.
Say, Paul Stevens, I'm that rabbit. Jan, look at you with me on one side. LAPD, drop your weapon. I'm not the bad guy. Put it down now.
Are we making a face here?
You the homer?
Yeah, 3 guys broke in and robbed me. I got the drop on one of them and shot him in the leg. Clear! Good luck the other 2. They took off.
Check the perimeter.
2 suspects, my count.
No other exits.
He's gonna be in there.
This is the LAPD! Come out with your hands up!
Sing.
Hands behind your back.
What the hell was he? Robert Alex hurt, huh? Try complying next time.
28 David, 1 suspect in custody.
Okay, let's look at the food.
Suspects in the wind. They got it.
She isn't eating it.
You know, I
Did she poison
found this in the suspect we have.
it? Why aren't you eating it?
Gold coins. But it sure as hell ain't.
Oh, it's fail.
Well, at least we know which precious
I need a
metals
hint.
Charlie Wright is doing.
Maybe it says look at the food.
It's $10 Tuesdays at KFC. Every Tuesday, grab 8 pieces of hot, juicy Kentucky Fried Chicken for just $10. Son of a bucket, that's a good deal. Get a taste of $10 Tuesday, only at KFC.
An oven-roasted turkey breast packs so much succulent flavor that the mere glimpse of it induces turkey sandwich daydreams. For sure, it's Hillshire.
Look at this. He's so rude. Reminds me of somebody. What if they...
Graduates, today you enter the real world, ready for whatever
Dunno.
lies ahead, except for the following that you're likely to find exceedingly
What is up with these
difficult.
ads? They're so
Going to the
stupid.
job, doing your taxes, putting on a duvet cover, taking off a duvet cover, realizing you're never gonna go to the gym. This guy knows what we're talking about. In summary, life is hard, but saving money by bundling your home and auto with for dinner every night for the rest of your life.
This is Carl. He never really thought much about his credit scores until he got Credit Karma and used his credit scores to move on up. By putting in the work to improve his scores, he got access to a better credit card and that sofa she liked. And when it came time to buy a home of his own, Credit Karma helped him.
Does this kid actually have ones?
Just in time. Intuit Credit Karma. Karma you can count on.
Notes?
Download the app today.
No, 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 no.
Was here before you could Google anything. We've been there, helping people get ahead. We've been offering online education for over 25 years. We were built for this. WGU was built for you. Oh, dish soap is on sale. We need it?
Yeah, I think we need ketchup too.
What's in there?
Not in the fridge?
Ketchup does not go in the fridge.
Play it.
I'm not. Wow.
Good well, bad well.
So sad. Are you okay? They're incredible. So many in-network docs on Zocdoc. Oh. Sick. Says here, Dr. Baker never rushes appointments. Sick. And Dr. O'Connor makes patients feel heard. And has an opening today.
Sea of cheese.
I feel better already.
You've got options. Book now. We've never spoken, but you've told us many things. You told us you love stargazing, almost as much as you hate parallel parking. Remember how you forget to charge your phone? All good. That heavy right foot of yours? We got you. The Lexus ES didn't begin in the studio, it began with you.
Okay, I get it. You don't want me doing no more.
About the phone that led to Bin Laden. I had to make life real, or people would die. Central Intelligence. All episodes now streaming on Paramount Plus.
The suspect we captured is Benjamin Hayes, record for aggravated assault, fraud, possession, you name it, he's done it.
Let me guess. I've taught him.
Bingo. We're looking through his known associates to see if we can ID the two missing suspects, but we haven't got it yet. We found that when we arrested Hayes. The other suspects got away with 3 more pouches just like it, each packed with 20-gram gold coins.
Stop taser. Someone hates her. I can already tell.
Over $100,000 in gold from the victim, Todd Haley.
Got something. Haley purchased his gold from Southland Gold Depository, a precious metals company owned by Chauncey Telluride. Turns out all 4 robbery victims purchased sizable quantities of gold from Telluride within the last year.
I think we found that connection.
This is a stupid night guard.
Time to find out why his customers have bullseyes on their backs.
I'm a gold broke lady, not a killer. Okay, then how do you explain why 4 of your clients were shot locked in the last 48 hours? I don't know. I'm in a legit precious metal business.
Your legit business market's almost exclusively to senior citizens, the same people who've been hit in these robberies. Seems like you got a vested interest in targeting the elderly.
I don't know what muttering is.
Not because I want to kill them. You and your gold are the only thing connecting multiple homicides to these armed robberies. So either you're lying to us, or someone else has access
That's
to your
Mick.
big data.
Jarvis.
Come in. My cousin Jarvis, he got out of prison a few months ago. He was having pretty rough going. So I gave him a part-time job. Basic office stuff work.
Whose shoes are those, bro?
Stopped showing up after a couple of weeks.
Somebody break in?
I
No.
didn't realize the leader
I know.
Is that laptop with customer data on it? Yes. Names, addresses, and had investment totals.
I said no.
It was just an alternative for cash. So I never thought they would go after my cousin.
These guys are picking up targets with the customer data on their laptop.
This is stupid.
Clients gonna be next.
Okay, we're gonna need a copy of company data like now.
Along with everything else you can tell us about your cousin, Jarvis.
What if I added my brother in there? Hugging, the toilet.
You the Foster?
Yeah. You are?
Sergeant Harrison, LAPD. I'm a friend of Grace White. Heard you two were suing each other.
We broke up. Sorry.
When was the last time you saw her?
I don't remember.
Really? Word on the street is you were the last person to see her before she disappeared.
Doubt it. But I've got things to do, so how about you move your foot?